Okay. Good morning, dear children. Next, we will see the topic example 1.3 and second subdivision. Okay. Already we have finished the first subdivision in our class and then continuation the second subdivision. Okay. And then given A is equal to the elements 2, 3 and B set is equal 0, 1 and C set is equal 1, 2. The value is given here. Already we wrote in the class of note and then continuation of the sum is second subdivision. To prove, what is our aim? To prove A cross B intersection C is equal A cross B intersection A cross C. In this before class, we had proved the sum A cross B union C. Already we proved A cross B union C is equal A cross B union A cross C. Clear here? Can you understand? Already we had proved the class of note in that first subdivision. Now, in this class, we have to prove that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Clear here? Okay. At first, we have to prove that in the left hand side. Left hand side. What is given left hand side? A cross B intersection C. Here. Okay. In this properties, which one we want to prove first? A cross B intersection C is the two parts, no? In these two parts, which one we have to prove first? The bracket inside. Already we studied that Bodemas. Which one is bracket inside values? That function only we had first to prove. Okay. So we have to prove first bracket inside function. What is the function? B intersection C. So first we have to take and prove that B intersection C. Okay. What is the value for B? The given values, B value is equal to 0, 1. So you have to apply the B place. B place you have to apply the values 0, 1. Okay. And then what is that function? B intersection C. Here intersection symbol. You have put intersection symbol. You have to write that. You write the intersection symbol. And then what is the C? What is the value for C? They given the value C is equal 1, 2. So you have to write 1, 2. Here. And then now intersection. What is the meaning of intersection? Intersection means common. Intersection means common. Common means you have see the two set of elements. Which element is same value? Which element is same value for both sets? One is the same element. One is the same element. So common means same element. So you have to write 1. So finally B intersection C is equal 1. B intersection C is equal 1. And then which one we proved? A cross B intersection C. A cross B intersection C. First we proved B intersection C. And then next A cross. We find A cross. So A cross B intersection C. Then we apply the value, A value. What is the A value? See the question, given value A is equal to 2, 3. So you have to write A value is 2, 3. And then what is the symbol here? Cross. What is the symbol? Cross. And then what is the value for B intersection C? B intersection C value is given in the question? No, they doesn't given the answer. But we only find out. We only find out now. B intersection C is equal to 1. So you write the value 1. Clear? And then A cross B intersection C. In this property, see the function, see the operation. This operation is cross. Cross means you take the order pair. How to take the order pair? You take U 2, 1 and 3, 1. Okay. And this is the order pair. So 2, 1. 2, 1 and then put the comma 3 comma 1. Okay, and put the bracket for starting and ending. Clear here? Intersection, this is one of the operation. Intersection means common. Common means you take both sides. Which element is common? You write this value for 1. Okay, this is the intersection operation. Intersection. Here, this function, this operation is cross. Cross means you take the order pair. Already I told you, order pair means you have right. You draw the line. You draw the line for each set. Set A to set B intersection C. Okay, you draw the line and write the elements. Clear? Finally, we find A cross B intersection C. Answer is this one. Dear children, draw the line using pencil. Okay, don't forget, draw the line using pencil and put that equation number 1. This is used for us. Okay, and then which one we want to prove here? What is our aim? Our aim is A cross B intersection C is equal A cross B intersection A cross C. This only we have to prove. This is our aim. First, we have complete left hand side. Now we have complete the answer left hand side. And then next, which one we want to prove? Right hand side. Okay, see the question. What is our aim? Which one we want to prove? This is our aim. This is our aim. Okay, now we have to take the right hand side properties. Okay, what is the right hand side? A cross B. Right hand side, we have right A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay. If you doesn't understand means you have to check the question what is given. Okay, this property is given and how to prove. So first you have to take left hand side and then completed. And then next which one we want to prove. And then remaining part is there. The first given part la first half na finish பண்ணோம். அப்ப remaining half இருக்கு. அந்த half ஐ நம்ம எடுத்து prove பண்ணணும். Okay. So we have to take that part for right hand side. Clear? Next right hand side A cross B intersection A cross Z is given. Okay. And then already I told you no. Whatever given the bracket values, that function is first we have to prove. Okay. So bracket inside la enna function irukko adha nama first prove பண்ணனும். சரி, two bracket values இருக்கு ma'am. இத first எழுதணுமா இத first எழுதணுமா? No problem. Our convenient. Okay. This is our vision. இத எடுத்து செய்யலாம், இத எடுத்து செய்யலாம். Clear here? So first you have to take that A cross B. Okay. First A cross B. Okay. Next which one we want to write? A cross B simply coming no. Then next which one we have to write? A values is given the question and then B value is given the question. So you have to apply the values A value. Okay, where is the A value? Already first you write it no. A value. What is the A value? A is equal 2, 3. So you have to write the A. A க்கு பதிலா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லணும்? 2, 3. Write it. Clear? And then what is the symbol? What is the operation? Cross. Cross means cross product, Cartesian product. Cross symbol is denoted by Cartesian product or cross product. Okay, this is the symbol cross. And then what is here? B. B set. What is the B set value? B set value is 0, 1. So you have to write B set value 0, 1. Next, first bracket inside values, take it and write and then apply the values and then you have to think what we have to do now. Here the cross symbol is here. Okay, here what is the operation? Cross. Cross means what we have to do? Take the order pair. Take the order pair. Order pair means you make the simple line likewise. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி லைன் போட்டு ரைட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஈஸியா இருக்கும். ஓகே clear? So write the order pair. Cross product means write the order pair. Okay, order pair. What is the order pair? 2, 0. 2, 0. And then what is the order pair of two values? 2, 0 and 2, 1 and 2, 1. And then next 3, 0. Put a comma 3, 0 and then put a comma 3, 1. 3, 1. Okay, dears? Okay. Our aim is over? No. We first finished only A cross B. Okay. And then next, which one we want to prove? The next bracket inside values. Okay. What is the value given? A cross C. So you have to write A cross C. Clear? Okay. And then apply the values for A values. Again, see the questions A values. What is the A value? Already you write 2, 3. And then what is the symbol? Cross. Cross means cross product. And then another name is Cartesian product. Cross means cross product or Cartesian product. And then what is the C values? C values is 1, 2. C values is 1, 2. Okay, simply we apply the values. Then only we have to do that order pair. Cross symbol coming, so you have to take the order pair. If you write order pair means simply make using pencil. Using pencil and draw the line and then you write the order pair. Cross symbol coming means we write order pair. What is that? Right? Order pair. Put that bracket and then 2, 1. What is the value? 2, 1. And then what is the value? Next value 2, 2. And then next take that value 3 and write the B set of element. C set of element 1. And then 3, 2. Here. This is the order pair. Cross symbol coming means take the order pair. Okay. And then our aim is over? No. See the properties. A cross B intersection A cross C. Now we find out only A cross B, only A cross C. Next, compare the values A cross B and A cross C. Okay. So again you have to write A cross C. Now compare A cross B and A cross C. Which one we want to find out? Intersection. Intersection means common. Common means you have to compare this both. Which is common? Here 2, 0. Here is no. Here 2, 1 is have. Here also 2, 1. Here 3, 0. There is no. 3, 1. Yes. Here 3, 1. Here also 3, 1. So finally, A cross B intersection A cross C is equal. Final value 2, 1, 3, 1. Here, this is the right hand side. Put the equation 2 and draw the line using pencil box. Okay. So, okay. Our aim is over? No. First we have complete left hand side and next we have complete right hand side. What is our aim? A cross B intersection C is equal A cross B intersection A cross C. So you compare equation 1 and 2. Compare equation 1 and 2. Equation 1. What is the answer? 2, 1, 3, 1. 2. Equation 2. 2, 1, 3, 1. Super. Very good. So both answer is equal. So compare equation 1 and 2. Compare equation 1 and 2. Both answer is equal. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. They ask the question, equal or not? Hence, verified these properties. They ask the question, verify these properties. This answer is equal, so verified.